Did not have the right size impact socket for this. It's like a 1 and 13/16 maybe, because I don't have that one, so sounds about right. This is my contraception. It was ripping my vise apart, so ripping the bench apart, the wooden bench. So I put that part into the stake pocket, ran a ratchet strap to tie down, nice hole in the floor for safety features. This is all safety rated. You don't have to worry about a thing doing this. See this cleverly right here in position for flying wrenches. No problem there. Let's see what happens. She's moving. Oh, it's all moving. Oh, it's working. I have to reset that. Custom twists in here. This makes it a little bit stronger, you know. More safety features. We're big on safety here.